Hey boys and girls in video land, it's Bortone, your go-to video guy, and I want to remind you to reserve your YouTube handle. YouTube handles are a new way for people to find you on YouTube, and if you have your ideal YouTube handle or your name for your channel, it's going to make it a lot easier for folks to find you on YouTube. So let me share my YouTube screen and I will show you what I mean here. Go to your channel and then go to customize channel. And when you get to customize channel, go to basic info over here on the right. Here you'll see your name and your handle, or where you can reserve your YouTube handle. Now mine is @Bortone Video. You probably just want your name of your channel. So especially if you have a common name, see if you can grab it. Otherwise, it might be like, John Doe 318. So this is where you can go and reserve your YouTube handle. And that way it's going to make it a lot easier for folks to find your channel, because all they have to do is enter @Bortone Video or your name. So check it out on YouTube and grab your channel handle while you can. Thanks. If you want more information, you can always find me at bluebortone.com. Bye for now.